Alright guys, welcome back to Yoast Built. So tonight we will be basically going over the Fiat and installing a muffler-less exhaust that we ordered off a line that was basically custom built for it. Because if you guys don't know, this is a 2015 Fiat 500 Turbo. It is not an A-berth, which everyone thinks that this is an A-berth. The A-berth has a body kit and different wheels and brakes and different everything. And the motor is exactly the same, but this is not an A-berth. We get that question all the time. A lot of people don't understand there is two people in Yoast Built. There's me and my brother. We both have tons of cars. We get that question a lot. People inbox us about different cars and stuff like that. I have the Juke, I have the DA, I have the Accord. My brother basically has all the Turbo Dodges. We both build the cars together. We have fun with them. But I just wanted to clarify that. And tonight's video, we are going to install this beautiful, it looks so small on camera, but 2.5 inch mufflerless exhaust on this dirty Fiat. This thing has been back and forth from Florida to Pennsylvania a couple of times, and she's dirty, she needs cleaned up, and it was also hit in the front end. I don't really like that it was abused so much, but we are going to replace this fender, and we're going to replace this headlight. As you can see, it's broken and the fender's dented. It got backed into, so we ordered the parts and then we'll wait and get it painted later on. But let's get to a little cold start video of the Fiat with the stock exhaust. And then we were gonna do the install, and then we will get to a cold start or a medium warm start with the mufflerless exhaust. And it's probably going to be very loud. So let's hear what a stock Fiat 500 Turbo sounds like. Alright guys, as you've seen, stock exhausts are horrible to get off. So what we ended up doing was just cutting this one because the new exhaust doesn't use it. These, I guess, Fiat Chrysler clamps for the exhaust are absolutely a pain to get in because they're not actually one solid piece of plastic or rubber. It is literally like a band in between. So this doesn't, when you pry against it, it just keeps moving like this and it doesn't connect to the other side. So this is just a comparison between the, I don't even know what company this custom exhaust is for, but here is usually the biggest you can see the difference. Right here's the stock one, which is literally this pipe right here is about 2. Right here is probably the most restriction compared to the new one. But then we just follow the exhaust along. This piping kind of looks very similar in size actually. But once you get back here, you can see these bends get real nasty. And this is a nice mandrel bent piece. So we'll put you back on time lapse. We'll put the new one on, which should be much easier to do since it's all new hardware and clamps. And then we will get to the cold start with the new exhaust. Alright guys, first start, mufflerless, catless, Fiat 500 turbo. I give it 1 week before it has a muffler. Or I give it 3 days before it has a muffler. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the Fiat 500 exhaust install. If you have any questions, the only 2 tools that were needed were a 13mm. Yes, that's still the Fiat and it's very far away from the house. The only tools needed were a 15mm, a 13mm, a screwdriver, and then whatever you need to get those exhaust hangers off. As you've seen, we struggled with them. It's going to be on time lapse, so it was about 15 minutes of struggling before we cut them. So yeah, whatever you need to get the get those off. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Leave down in the comment section below what you think about the before and after. And as always, have a good night.